Momentum Global Investment Management was established in the UK as a specialist global investment manager. The firm is part of Momentum Metropolitan Holdings Limited, a large South African insurance and investment business listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. We are deliberately different. We have developed a unique investment philosophy that prioritizes the prospect of you achieving your own unique investment goals. This is supported by a tried and tested focused investment process. Together, we call this the Momentum Outcome-Based Investing Approach. We focus on designing, building, and managing outcome-based investment solutions and on providing investment consulting services.
We started Momentum Global Investment Management as far back as 1998. And the interesting thing is, it was started a year after South Africa relaxed exchange controls. And Momentum responded really quickly. In fact, in a year's time, we launched this business in order to respond and to deliver solutions for South Africans' offshore investment requirements. Today, we manage well in excess of $5 billion in global international solutions. In fact, in the last 5 years, we've also started to deliver investment consulting solutions to defined benefit schemes in the United Kingdom. And today, we advise on 40 billion sterling of assets. London is by far the most international of global financial centres in the world.
I've been in the investment industry for almost 50 years, and there's one big thing I've learned in that period of time is that you have to be at the centre of the industry, and London is that very centre globally.
Behind me is the Bank of England that has been the rock of the financial centre for many, many years.
Momentum Investments has an outcome-based investing philosophy. This means that the investment team in London use a diverse range of asset classes to create portfolios with a single focus to help clients achieve their goals. In terms of making the journey comfortable, I think there are two angles to that. The first one is building portfolios that are robust and ride out market storms as well as they possibly can. Still, there's an element of people's anticipations and expectations. We want to manage expectations ahead of time to help people understand where markets are bad, what that means, where markets are good, what that means. That's why we focus a lot as a business on getting out there, meeting our clients, and being open, communicative, and transparent. As the Global Fund Specialist, I represent Momentum Global Investments in South Africa. I work very closely with financial advisors, bringing the global expertise and outcome-based investing to their doorsteps. I work closely with the investment team in the UK, and through this collaboration, I can provide asset class and economic views, fund insights and support to advisors, and increase the awareness of our offshore solutions right here in South Africa. Together, we can help their clients along their offshore investment journey.
Diversifying beyond your home market, whether it's South Africa or frankly the UK or even the United States, is essential. So you've got to open up the whole world to your opportunity set. And of course, investing outside South Africa, you invest in economies that are at different stages of the cycle, much bigger economies, much deeper economies, lots of different industries.
We focus this business very much on delivering solutions to a larger expat community. In fact, we have clients across 6 continents in our solutions.
We operate in regions like Asia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Shanghai, Beijing, Tokyo, parts of Southeast Asia, Middle East, Latin America, Europe, offering services to IFAs who in turn work with expats. And we have become the go-to place for multi-asset risk profile solutions for those advisors.
Research is imperative to the business. The investment team tries to be ahead of the curve, looking forward as far as they can into the future. Now, they don't have a crystal ball. Nobody does. But what they do have is a sound process that looks at fundamentals. The team looks at the asset classes that they think are cheap today and will reward investors going forward, and stay away from the ones that they think are expensive and they think will detract from performance.
When we look at employing and attracting staff into this business, the question is, of course, one of culture, right? What is your integrity? What is your can-do attitude? And we are lucky to have a group of people here that are incredibly well qualified, great experience. So just to give you an idea, we've got 3 CAs, 6 CFAs, 8 student CFAs, 5 actuaries. I mean, that's half the staff are really professionally qualified.
We want different views. We want people at ease in being able to challenge all of us. If you've got that terrific vibe where everybody's used to working together, enjoys working together, it's an open culture where people can speak their minds without being sort of trodden on by senior people. That's very, very important. So I think that openness is very important to encourage that debate and challenging of ideas.
Momentum Global Investment Management has the best of both worlds. In South Africa, the team have behind them a very large and very supportive parent company in the form of Momentum Metropolitan Holdings. Yet they are structured like a boutique in the City of London, focused on delivering investment outcomes for our clients. So MGIM has the best of both worlds, the core proper support, but also a focus, nimbleness and agility that comes from being a relatively small business.
For more information about Momentum Global Investment Management, please contact Natalie Harrison at natalie.harrison@momentum.co.za. Visit our website at momentum.co.uk or speak to your Momentum consultant.